The Office of the District School Education Officer, West Giant Hills, Jowai, celebrated the 61st Teachers' Day at Beppali Auditorium, Jowai. Local MLA Wailatmiki Shilla graced the occasion as the chief guest. Congratulating the teachers on this auspicious day, Sri Vailatmiki acknowledged the sincere effort and dedication of each and every teacher and their valuable contribution towards the overall development of every student. He appreciated and praised the teachers for their selfless sacrifices, especially during the COVID pandemic. In spite of all their difficulties, the teachers continued to render their service, shifting to use of technology and online platforms for the welfare of the students. He requested the teachers to diligently conduct themselves as students look up at them as role models and bring them up as knowledgeable and compassionate individuals. Additional Deputy Commissioner D.D. Syngai, who was also present, appreciated the selfless and devoted service of the teachers, making students become responsible citizens who contributes towards the well-being of the society and the country. Teachers are students' second parents and they play an important role in guiding and counseling the students, and they are also responsible for molding the future of the student. D.D. Syngai has requested and exhorted the teachers to guide the students well, understand the students emotionally, and also to make the student understand the beauty of life and appreciate life in spite of trial circumstances. The district awards was conferred in the secondary level to Shri Hubert Thirnyang, MSc Physics, Assistant Teacher Government High Secondary School, Shri Hubert Thirnyang, MSc Physics, Assistant Teacher Government Girls High Secondary School, Jowai, in the upper primary level to Srimati Fabrice Lee Suchang, BA Trained Headmaster Shangpung Government Upper Primary School, and in the lower primary level to Shri Beyond Lanong, MA Political, Head Teacher Sok Kashnong, Lower Primary School.
Woman kau kong san hakmat yong pi nei bhai le mpu muslim dang kisnem gyu kat tu kat ni snem ngadang manno unong cha hikai ngadang man mathano to dang wadau yo cho cho ya ka jing snen jing kro ka jing penyo pen kedau nepi kinong hikai gyu de is khet ya kate kejing im giong pi nei benta wo kun tu kun rong nei benta wo pen wandur ya ki khenro giong i kiuman kalawe yong geri wo jaj ru ngala chimoi ni ke kabun ne sngi de ye nya ni e khublai kerpang i phiwro sngi Teachers Day wasuk kemen ye phiwro bat kun mua le e khuble le e ginong hikai gionga ki wom ye meling ki wanga la daman ne kam kat wa man le nga hakmat yong ki man khna skur chirta ho la dia klami kam de klam gini gi hachwa yonga ginong hikai daman skhet ki kite ki all rounder hawaro jai la dia klam mi ke contribution giong pi kium ye diu nya deman pi gi bai gi pa deman pi gi lok gi jor deman pi gi te gi nong penyo pen kedau hawaro gi benta bat kham tam yos khedi hagani ke covid 19 Yus khedi kat wan ke jing chem chutom ke yong pi sendet klem poi perkhat klem ke jing pen kre have you shift ya kate ke rukom hikai ke yong i na kate ko jo hikai nek do ki por ke menchwa hab sendet shifi cek technology han nga yo kat tele kinong hikai ke yong i emu kon randen ni tengah ke jing ro go kroi pi ya ke jing tre chutom ke yong pi ya ke dedication ke yong pi What hakitu ki por wa MP ki yung ki sem ki yong pi, wa piu pa ye ki yung ki sem ki yong pi, ki kon ki kti ki yong pi. Han kat te lem me mulin pi ki duty ki yong pi. Yoi lang ba bon ki pli ki nong hi kai ki yung pu em so ye ka te ka mobile no ka screen touch mobile, mpu jo tip ye ka te ka video calling. Kre chutom ki. Adapt ki ha kani ka environment go thamme wood nei benta ulai ki khon ki yong I udo jing mentoi.
You cry, and in spite of everything, you continue to render your selfless and devoted service towards making a student become a responsible citizen who contributes to the well-being of the society and the country. Yes, you may say that it is a cliche, you hear this every year, but without teachers, we would not be where we are today. So through this program today, I would like to thank all the teachers who are present here and all the teachers elsewhere, including my teachers in school, college and university. I have been a teacher myself before joining government service, before joining this service. My 2 siblings are also teachers, so I know the hard work and effort that goes into being a responsible teacher who takes care of a student intellectually, mentally, and emotionally. Here I would also like to take this opportunity to request and exhort all the teachers to please guide your students well. Yes, you may not be psychologists who can understand everything what goes on inside the mind of a young boy or a young girl, but I would request you to try to understand. You will wonder why I am saying this. It is because as an administrator, I have seen and heard of cases of many young people today taking life into their own hands by committing suicide. These cases have increased day by day, and we may not really know the actual cause as to what leads a young boy or a young girl commit such a drastic step. But I feel that we can all have a little empathy, and teachers, you who are considered the second parent of a student, can play a huge role in guiding and counseling a student into making him or her see the beauty of life in spite of trying circumstances. An encouraging word or two from you can work wonders. And I am sure that with the right advice and counseling, we can hopefully see a decline in such cases. Therefore, I request you to make an extra effort to understand your student emotionally also.